Alright everybody, it's Brad of All Trades, and a few months ago I snapped these cheap ass front suspension, and in the process I lost this spacer that goes between the stem bolt and the steering bearings for the front suspension. I had to reach out to everybody. I couldn't even buy this fucker online, so somebody actually sent me one. Moose Rides on YouTube and TikTok. He sent one all the way from Florida to California for me. I'm gonna go ahead and tear this baby apart as simple as possible, hopefully, so I could save myself some damn trouble. First, I gotta take off the number plate. And then go ahead and remove this and an Allen down here. Alright, so there goes the plastics. Now, loosen this fucker. Oh, I just dropped my fucking shit. Alright, now I gotta get a big ass Allen in here. And then up under here, I gotta put my socket. Okay. Now, slide this fucking stem bolt out of here and then pull these off. Oh, see, there goes the bottom one. So here's the one I had to make. Now I gotta pry this bitch out of here. Where's all my fucking shit at? God damn. So here goes the piece that I just fucking tore out of there, but I broke it a little bit. Oh well. And then here's the piece that I needed. Okay, let's see. Oh no. Much better, yeah. Compared to this fucker. Alright, so now set this bitch in here. Oh, it's so nice. It's so nice. Alright, so I got it all torn apart and the new piece just fit in there so nicely. Look at that. Okay, now I can't forget to put the bottom one in, but the bottom one always slips out. That's what's crazy about it. Okay, so I need two here. Okay, now I got the new one in there. Let's go ahead and put the washer and the nut on the bottom. Okay, now tighten this fucker down. And I'll go ahead and finish up by tightening these down. Get this fucking brake line out of there. So now there's no play in the handlebars. Those couplings or whatever were a little bit the wrong size, the brass ones, and they would stretch out because they're soft metal. So now my handlebars don't wiggle at all. Woo, 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 woo. Got it. Thank you so much. Alright, check it. So now with the new spacer, my handlebars don't fucking shake at all. Ooh, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, man. Now let's put this bitch back together. Okay, now same shit. Need a fucking washer. God damn it. Do I got any washers? Do I got any washers? Got a million upstairs. Oh yeah, this one should maybe work. Or maybe this one. This bitch. Okay, now I'm finna tighten this bitch down. Now she's almost back together. Let's put my number plate back on. And again, guys, click on my YouTube. I just recorded the whole video of how to replace that damn spacer. Alright guys, so don't ever buy the cheap suspension. If you're gonna buy something cheap, buy something cheap like cheap LEDs. You feel me? Or cheap paint or something. Don't buy cheap suspension or cheap brakes or cheap something like that. God damn it. Oh yeah, my new cooling fan looks so good. Ciao. Ciao. Alright guys, signing off now.